kasi Nairobi.
Gavana County ma Siaya James Orengo yuak evide komenda mag kaontis ya kredwe marario. Wach mawacho ni omiyo poko chul jotije county kendo rocho chenro mag tijegi. Kolose kanisa ma skills for living maidore county mabondo, sub county mabondo. Orengo wacho ni en gima yanga ni jatend piny William Ruto dwaro rocho chenro mag keyo omenda ne piny owacho mag ten loch gwenge. Orengo mero ni okang' ma jolony weche chike keto kenge mag tayo duond buche yudo hinga kaluwore ni piny owacho tiyo gi omenda mag ng'iewo jod bura MCS kod governors mag riwruok kod kweth mag Kenya Kwanza.
Nikech, I want to say without fear of contradiction that President Ruto is trying to kill multi-party. President Ruto is trying to kill multi-party. The way Kenyatta won and Moi killed multi-party is the same way that President Ruto is trying to kill multi-party. By buying members of parliament, buying members of county assemblies, buying governors to recruit them to do his work in UDA and in the Kenya Kwanza government, I can tell you that that is a stratagem for killing multi-party democracy in Kenya. If you look at the political parties' funds, which was going to political parties, major political parties like ODM, the fraction that ODM is getting compared to what ODM was getting under the Jubilee government and under the NAC government or under the Grand Coalition government, it is a clear signal that President Ruto would rather have a one-party state.
Jalonye weche mag somo riwruok mag pinje Afrika ma ugwe